There is a giant laboratory flying around the Earth right now. It is called the International Space Station. It is not floating randomly in space, and it is not spinning to create gravity. The space station is moving around the Earth very fast, about 28,000 kilometers per hour. Why? Because Earth's gravity is pulling it down. If the station stopped moving, it would fall back to Earth. So instead of falling straight down, it moves forward so fast that it keeps missing the Earth. That is called orbit. Now here is the part most people do not know. Inside this space station, people actually live and work. Astronauts sleep inside it. They eat inside it. They work inside it. All of this happens while the space station is moving around the Earth at about 28,000 kilometers per hour. And yet the astronauts are completely safe. The space station is moving around the Earth very fast. Why? Because Earth's gravity is pulling it down. If the station stopped moving, it would fall back to Earth. So instead of falling straight down, it moves forward so fast that it keeps missing the Earth. That is called orbit. Astronauts do not float in the spaceship because there is no gravity. Gravity is still there. Astronauts float because the space station is falling and everything inside it is falling at the same speed. The station is falling. The astronauts are falling. The air is falling. Since everything falls together, nobody hits the floor. That is why astronauts float. This incredible space station did not appear in space by accident. So who sent it? The space station was not built by one country. It was built by many countries working together, including the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. They sent it into space piece by piece and joined everything together in space. Now you will be wondering how astronauts get inside a space station that never stops moving. How do they enter something that's always moving? Astronauts do not jump into the space station. To enter it, they first launch from Earth. Astronauts ride in another spacecraft, like a space taxi. That spacecraft chases the space station and slowly matches its speed and direction. Once both are moving together, docking is gentle, like two cars parking side by side. After docking, a hatch opens and astronauts simply float inside, already moving as fast as the space station itself. The space station exists for one main reason: science. Scientists use it to study how the human body reacts in space, test new technology, and prepare humans for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. So the next time you see astronauts floating in space, remember this. They're not floating because gravity is gone. They're floating because they're falling around the Earth. This is RAS News, making space make sense. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.